At Eat Fit Food, we deliver healthy food and lifestyle advice to people who want to lose weight, keep fit, and wake up feeling energized every day. We are here to help. Our range of programs for men and women, along with our catering options, are quick and easy to order online. A couple of minutes is all it takes.
We source all of our produce from local, sustainable farms. We make everything from scratch. And we're proud to say that all our meals and snacks contain unprocessed, nourishing whole foods, are packed with superfoods and are high in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, with no preservatives or added sugars. Our chefs and nutritionists are always developing new, innovative recipes, and we can tailor-make menus for your specific dietary requirements and needs.
So take control and discover a rejuvenated you. Sign up today and see the change in your life.